In a particular state, the first character on a license plate is always a letter, and the last character is always a digit from 0 to 9. If V represents the set of all license plates beginning with a vowel, and O represents the set of all license plates that end with an odd number, which license plate belongs to the set V and O? Okay, there was a lot of words there, and that might make this seem super confusing, but it's not bad. If it belongs to the set V and O, that means it needs to start with a vowel, and it needs to end with an odd number. And means that both of those have to happen. All right, so let's look through first. This one starts with a vowel, but it ends with an even number. This one does not start with a vowel. That's a consonant. This one starts with a vowel and ends with an odd number, so that's probably going to be our answer, but let's double check. Yeah, this one does not start with a vowel. So that's all there was to it. It had to start with a vowel and end with an odd number.